Okay, so you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're stuck at the setup stage and you don't know what to do. Well, have no fear, the Minority Millionaires are here. We will be going through step by step how to register for an account, add your custom channel name, add your logo, add your banner, as well as some secret settings to make sure you start getting views and subscribers as soon as possible. My name is Wakar and we are the Minority Millionaires, helping each other reach our dreams of financial freedom. Hey folks, I hope you're all well and staying safe. Today, I'm going to make sure there are no excuses holding you back from starting a YouTube channel today. And to make sure of that, we will be going through step by step how to set up your YouTube channel from beginning to end. Plus, I'm doing two $25 cash giveaways. This may help you start your own YouTube channel or buy equipment to make it better. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below what type of channel you're thinking of creating or have created. Remember to watch until the end of the video for more information of the giveaway. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go on to youtube.com. Once here, then click on sign in on the top right hand corner. Then click on create account. You will see two options, for myself or to manage my business. The difference between them is that if you select the option for myself, then your channel name will be your name. However, if you select the option to manage my business, then this will be a brand channel, giving you access to add a custom channel name amongst other features. If you have selected the first one by mistake, you can change it later on, so don't worry. Okay, let's select to manage my business. Add your first name and your surname in, and for your email, I would advise creating a new Gmail account to manage your YouTube channel, as it will become more important the more you grow, as businesses may eventually use it to contact you for promotions or sponsorships. So think ahead. All you need to do is click create a new Gmail address instead. Complete this section with your name, your surname, your email address and your password. Let me think of one and I'll come back. Okay, once you've got that, press next and you'll come onto this screen. You will have an option of putting your phone number in, your recovery email, your date of birth and your gender. Now, for your recovery email, I highly suggest you put that, because if you end up losing your account, then this will be a lifesaver. So let me complete this and we'll come back. Okay, once you've completed it and press next, you'll come onto this screen, which is basically the terms of service that you should read. And once you have, click on I agree, and I agree the second one, and then literally press create account and confirm. And there we have it. Right, now you have set up the account, but you haven't set up the channel yet. You still have one more step before you can set up the channel. So click on the icon on the right hand side. Once you've done that, click on create a channel. Then it will ask you if you want to create a personal channel using your own name or a brand channel with a custom name. So we want a brand channel, so let's select use a custom name. Now we'll want to decide what name to choose. For more information on what you should think about when choosing a name, click on the video above. But thing to remember is, keep the name consistent with the channel topic. However, if you are trying to create yourself as a brand straight away, then you can still choose your own name. Don't stress too much about it, you can always change it later. So, add your name and click on the I understand I'm creating a new Google account box. Then click create. And congratulations, your channel has been created. But we aren't finished just yet. Next, we need to upload a profile picture. So here you would add a profile picture related to your channel content, or if it's a personal channel, your own picture. All you need to do is click on upload picture and then just select the picture that you want as your logo. So this was just the basic step of creating a channel. Now we will be going a bit deeper and things I highly recommend you do. The only thing I will say is don't let it put you off. You can always come back to these points later on if you don't feel like doing it right now. Just don't let it stop you. So now we're going to move on to telling your viewers about your channel. To be honest, when it says viewers, it really means tell YouTube what the channel is about. It's unlikely that many viewers will actually come and read what your channel is about. They will just watch the videos. However, YouTube does look at this information when recommending your videos to help your videos rank in the right areas. So what we need to do is write a few sentences about what our channel is about, and to make sure we use related keywords to help rank our channel videos. For example, if I'm making a cooking channel, even though I can't really cook, I would write something along the lines of, this is Wakar's Wacky waffles. This is just an example, but if you can spend a little bit more time on your description, the more it will help you. Just make sure you don't just add keywords in that don't make any sense. It needs to be an actual sentence people can understand. Otherwise, the YouTube algorithm will punish you. So, next, if you have a website or social media profiles that you have created, you will add links to them. If you don't, however, then you can just skip this part for now. But it is recommended to set one up if you can. But don't worry about it too much in the beginning. Once you've added your Facebook, Twitter and Instagram accounts, click on Save and Continue. Now what we need to do is make sure we verify your YouTube account. This is an important step to unlock certain features such as custom thumbnails, streaming, amongst other features. So click on your icon on the top right hand corner. Then click on Settings. Then click on Channel Status and Features, which is right here. Here you can see everything you can unlock, including the elusive monetization that everybody wants to get. So the first thing we need to do is click on Verify Your Channel. Then we can select the country we are in. After that, we have an option. We can either select Call Me with an automated voice message or Text Me with the verification code. Personally, I choose the text option, so it's easier just to add the code on the next page. So once we have selected the option, it will ask you for our mobile number. Once you've entered that, YouTube will then send you a text message with the 6-digit verification code. And then enter the 6-digit verification code. And then press Submit. Once you've done that, it will give you a congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Press Continue. Now you can see there are more things that are now enabled since we have verified our account. Now let's carry on completing our channel. So to get back to your channel, click on Return to YouTube Studio, would be on the top right hand corner. Then click on Settings. Then down to Channel. Here we will be able to customize our channel further. Plus it's something that a lot of people miss, so keep watching. Firstly, click on Branding. This is how that little watermark comes up on the YouTube videos you see that people can click on and subscribe to the channel. You can use your profile picture or have something else that you want, such as a subscriber. You can also choose when you want this displayed. We can either have it the entire video or the end of the video or custom start time. Personally, leaving it on a custom start after 5 seconds is the best option. Once that's done, click on Advanced Settings. Here, you will get to choose if your channel is made for kids or not. Now, when I say kids, it's for children under the age of 13. And the reason this is because YouTube is not allowed to collect user data on kids. So it depends on what type of content you have. For example, if you have a nursery rhymes channel, then you would have to answer yes, but a cooking channel will most likely be no, it's not made for kids. You can choose to select I want to review this setting for every video if you make a mix. But we'll be selecting not made for kids. Now let's move on to basic info. This is actually quite important, as you will be able to add keywords and key tags to help your videos rank. When I say rank, it means YouTube will push them in front of the relevant viewers. Basically, write what the channel is about, similar to what we did with our description, but here we just select the keywords. For example, you can write cooking recipes, then add a comma after every one to be able to write another keyword. Cooking tutorial, best dishes. The keyword needs to be something that people would be actually searching for on YouTube. Just make sure you add the things that are relevant to your channel. Don't just add random ones in that don't make any sense, in an attempt to rank for keywords not related to your niche. There would be no point and it will hurt your rankings. The next option down is upload defaults. However, we aren't going to use that as it's a lazy way of working. It is useful once you are established and know exactly what you want, but for now we will be learning and growing, so we will not rely on any defaults. But just to show you, it has defaults title, description and keywords. This is something you will be getting better at the more videos you make, so you don't want to have a default for now. So let's press save. Okay, let's keep going. We're almost finished. Now let's click on view your channel on YouTube from here. Then customize channel. Then click on add channel art. This will help brand your channel. Again, similar to the logo, keep it consistent with your niche. But right now, we will just add a channel art just to keep it moving. Once you have clicked add channel art, you can either upload a photo, use any photos already contained, or select one from YouTube gallery. So we're going to pick this one. Once you have picked one, you might need to adjust it a little bit to fit on all screens. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't do it automatically for you. So you need to make sure it looks good on desktop, TV and mobile. One thing I will say is that most important ones I believe are mobile and then desktop, as these are the most used when accessing YouTube. So make sure it looks good at the very least on mobile and desktop. So let's adjust the crop a little bit, move a little bit up, device previews, and then press select. Okay, so now we will add our email address in so people that need to contact us are able to. So click on the About Us page. You will see the description that we added here. If you need to amend or add anything else, you can too by clicking the little pencil icon on the right. So scroll down and you will see for business inquiries, add email. So click on that, add your email address and press done. You can add the location for the channel if you want. It may help people contacting you to see where you are based. Now, we're finished with setting up our YouTube channel. Now all you need to do is create your first YouTube video and then click on the right hand side upload video at the top, and that's it. We are all done. Once you click this, it will open here. All you need to do is drag and drop the video here, and that's it. Your channel is ready. Well, there you have it folks, a full step-by-step guide to setting up your YouTube channel. You should have no excuses to start now. So what are you waiting for? Start your channel today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Finally, to ensure you get the best start on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I will be coming out with a lot more videos to help you succeed. Once you have subscribed, make sure to like and comment down below to enter the $25 cash giveaway. I will be announcing the first winner next week, so make sure you keep watching. The winner can be picked from any video, so the more videos you like and comment on, the higher your chances of winning. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, stay safe and see you next time.